Willkommen zurück zu Let's Play The Wolf Among Us. Schön, dass du wieder eingeschaltet hast. Und wir gehen doch einfach mal zu diesem Päckchen.
Bet that's what Beast was talking about. That logo looks familiar. I've seen this before at Antique Greenleaf's.
Oh, oh.
Bigby Wolf?
Hallo.
Well, welcome, Sheriff. What can I get for you? You interested in a particular cut? Let's see. What do we have in stock? Let's see what we got here. Flank steak on special. New York strip. I can have some wild boar in tomorrow if you like. Sirloin.
I know Bloody Mary hangs around here. I want to talk to her.
I don't know what you mean. What you see is what you get. Just meat. You don't find anything else. We do more wholesale and meat packing than walk-up service. I'd like to help you. Really, I would.
You better stop fucking around, Butcher.
I'm not. I am not fucking around.
I can tell just by looking at it that your meat ain't selling. If you're lying to me, I'm gonna find out.
Oh.
Sheriff, Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check on that.
Dieser hinterlistige kleine...
I just have to go see.
Hinterlistiger kleiner Drecksack.
Shit.
Oh, weia.
I got it covered back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out.
Das halte ich für ein Gerücht.
Just wait out front. I'll be right there. I've got a bit of a mess back here. Look, can you come back tomorrow, maybe?
Ich habe das Gefühl, wir kriegen gerade gleich richtig eins auf die 12. Irgendwas stimmt hier nicht.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me. He's gonna get me killed. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby? What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff. I don't want to die. Please.
Sorry.
Please don't kill me.
Shut the fuck up!
You're a monster. A fucking monster. Why are you doing this? I'm not part of their crew. Fuck. The Crooked Man's people. Jersey Devil, D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me, took over my storage and delivery a long time ago. All cause of that heat wave. That summer was even hotter than this one. Oh, I'd let Mary and those porkers stay cool in the meat locker one day, playing cards, having a great time. I guess they were sizing the place up. Shows what I get for being nice. I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there. I swear.
You lied to me in the front. Why the fuck should I believe you now?
Because it's the truth. I knew this would happen. Didn't know when. There would be... 'Cause... 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 'C
Mal gucken, was dahinter steckt. Aha, aha. Das sieht aber nicht wie eine Metzgerei aus. Wer war hier? Wer hat das getan?
What is this place?
I told you, Bigby. I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear, I don't know anything more. I haven't been back here when it was like this.
Warning lights.
It's business. It's all I've ever had. I guess that's why I stuck around when they took it.
Damn it. You can't act like you're forced into this and then turn around and help them. You'd still be here if you hadn't flipped that switch out there.
I had to. Huh. You come in here making trouble for me, but you only give a shit now because the crooked man stepped on your toes or something. Where were you when they took this place from me? It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back? I needed help. Your help.
Well, I'm here now. I'm gonna sort this all out. So this is what Beast was delivering. Glamours, other kinds of magic. Could be dangerous stuff.
Oh Mann, Leute. In was sind wir hier reingeraten? Und ich aber, wisst ihr was, Leute? Egal was es ist. Es scheint die
Maybe
Formel zu
just
sein.
don't touch anything back here, please.
Huh. Looks like math or something.
Jetzt hättest du besser mal ein iPhone dabei.
Shit. Is everybody on here? You know anything about this?
I don't know. A lot of fables out there need a lot of things.
Das glaubst du doch wohl selber nicht. Wen haben wir denn hier alles? Den kann ich leider oben nicht lesen. Georgie, Faith, Kay, Lily, Madam X, Mary, Miss Muffet, Mr. Black, Mr. Jones, Mr. Knight, Mr. M, Mr. Smith, Mr. Sunflower, Mr. M, Miss Wee, Miss White, Nerissa, Rose Red, Vivian. Was sind das? Alles sind das Koordinaten? Oder ist das die Zusammensetzung?
That symbol. It's on all the packages. What is it?
That's the crooked man's brand. It's on everything that goes in and out of here.
So you do know something, huh? Is that a wheel or what?
I guess they never used that thing on wolves, huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
It's from back in the homelands. A torture device. It came over here with the rest of our stories. Not that Mondays need any help coming up with that kind of thing. It makes people crooked. By breaking their bones and... Do I really need to explain this?
Okay, vielleicht heißt er genau deswegen der krumme Mann, weil er gefoltert wurde und jetzt dieses Folterwerkzeug als sein Markenzeichen benutzt. Mysteriöse Gläser.
These are raw materials for making magic. Auntie Greenleaf and any other rogue witches out there probably get their supplies here.
Jetzt wissen wir, wo Auntie Greeley ihre Zutaten her hat. Alles vom verkrüppelten Mann.
Who's getting chained up here?
You can't think I'm the only one the crooked man has under his yoke.
Das könnte jeder gewesen sein.
Don't you see what's going on here? All these fables, getting magic from him. Business is booming. He's got all he needs. The raw materials, and the slave labor to process them. And with all this gear, looks like they could make just about any kind of magic. A lot of it. It's pretty clear why.
Oh, yeah? Why?
Doing it like this. It's bound to be cheaper than the 13th floor.
This is just horrible.
When I get my hands on that crooked bastard, I'm gonna make him pay for all this. People just don't know the real cost of getting something cheap.
You don't have to tell me.
That fucker Crane knew all about it.
Yeah, what about Crane? If this all... I mean, finding the crooked man is so fucking important, why don't you ask your boss?
Snow?
No, Crane. He said he knows where everybody is. I don't know how, but he's got some way. That's right. It was that creepy magic mirror with the big green head and all. Why don't you just use that? Find the crooked man that way. And leave me alone. Yeah, with stuff like that mirror, I'm surprised that you ever need to leave the office.
It's fucking broken. Crane shattered the mirror and made off with one of the pieces. He probably still has the shard with him.
Well, if they got their hands on an important magical item, there's only one place they'd take it. The Lucky Pawn. They probably took Crane there, too.
The Lucky Pawn. If I can find the mirror piece there, I can find the crooked man.
Hey, hold on. I told you what I knew. And look what you did to me. You're just as fucked up as they are. You really still are the big bad wolf. Is this what you do? You just go around ruining Fable's lives, tormenting people?
I got a little hot, and, son of a... I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
What the hell am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna have to spend the rest of my short life looking over my shoulder for Bloody Mary.
You won't have to worry, Johan. I'm gonna take him down.
Rauchen ist da nicht gestattet, Big B. Aber hey, du bist der große böse Wolf, du darfst das.
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system if you're just gonna...
My fucking
Jack, what the fuck is going on?
But you
I'm
are the guy who
just
makes
gonna.
sure-
I'm the guy that keeps shit in order,
you know.
and that's it, Woody. If you love your ex so fucking much, why'd you pawn it in the first fucking place, huh?
I didn't pawn it, asshole. It was stolen
Und
from my apartment.
You don't want
damit
no part of this, pal.
verabschiede ich
You
mich
push me
wieder
one more
von diesem
time,
Part.
and I will have one hell of a mess
Mein Name ist
on my
der
hands.
Sensemann, haut
And I
da
really
rein.
don't feel like mopping out this
Tschüss.
room today. So I'm giving